Every month, millions of people reach the end of the month and wonder the same thing. Where did all my money go? You may have noticed it yourself. Your paycheck arrives, you pay rent, groceries, maybe a few subscriptions, and suddenly it's gone. It can feel confusing and stressful. Most people blame luck or unexpected expenses, but the truth is, money doesn't disappear on its own. It's all about how we manage it. When you don't track or control your spending, even a decent income can feel like it's never enough. The main reason most people struggle financially isn't because they don't earn enough. In fact, many people with decent salaries feel financially stretched every month. The real problem is spending without a plan. Small purchases here and there, coffee, subscriptions, online shopping, can quietly add up. Most people never stop to analyze exactly where their money is going. Without this understanding, it's like trying to fill a bucket with water while it has a hole at the bottom. You keep pouring in more money, but it leaks out faster than you think. The first step to managing money is surprisingly simple. Track your income and expenses. Begin by writing down everything you spend in a month. Rent, groceries, transport, entertainment, subscriptions, even that coffee or snack you grab on the way to work. Track it all. Once you do this, patterns begin to emerge. You'll see where your money is going and which areas could be reduced. Financial experts often recommend starting with a simple rule called the 50-30-20 method. 50% of your income goes to essential needs, 30% to wants, and 20% is reserved for savings or investments. This approach creates structure and clarity, giving you control over your finances. Step 2 might sound obvious, but it's the principle that trips most people up. Always spend less than you earn. Credit cards, online shopping, and easy loans make overspending tempting. Every extra dollar spent today is a dollar of stress tomorrow. Successful people follow a very simple rule. Income must always be greater than expenses. If your spending grows faster than your income, you'll feel trapped even if you earn a lot. But by consistently spending less, you create financial breathing room, reduce stress, and begin to save for the future. Saving money is important, but the real power comes from investing. Investing allows your money to grow on its own through compound growth. Here's how it works. When you invest, your money earns interest or returns. Over time, that return itself earns returns. It's like planting a tree. Small seeds grow into branches, and those branches grow more leaves every year. Even if you start with just $200 a month, over 20 years, consistent investing could turn into tens of thousands of dollars. This isn't luck or a lottery. It's the natural power of patience and discipline. Managing money doesn't require magic, advanced degrees, or a high income. It requires awareness, discipline, and consistent effort. By tracking your spending, living below your means, and investing wisely, you can build a financial future that feels secure and empowering. Remember, money management isn't about being rich, it's about being in control. When you control your money, you control your future. Small actions today like checking your spending, saving regularly, or making smart investments can have a massive impact over time. Start now and you'll thank yourself years from now.